Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Kiwi online banking account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser in order to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.kiwibank.co.nz and make your search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Kiwi Bank, which looks like this. To log into your online banking account, tap on the Internet Banking Login button at the top right-hand corner from the main home page. This will take you to a new tab. In the display, you'll be able to see your login area. Type in your access number in the first text field and head over to the next field and type in your password. You can double-check your password by clicking on the little eye icon at the right corner of the box. In case you've forgotten your access number, you can click on Forgotten Your Access Number link and follow the on-screen prompts to look for it. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password details, you can click on this password link beneath the box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering your credentials and you're ready to log in, click the Login to Internet Banking button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your online banking account for Kiwi Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.